Alaska Youth Suicide Prevention and Leadership course, Teens Helping Teens. In this lesson, students will be given an introduction to the issue of teen suicide in Alaska. The lesson will cover Alaska's suicide statistic, who's affected, and what the need is to help save lives. The objectives for this course are identifying the risk factors for teens, comparing Alaska suicide statistics with U.S. average, investigating the real-life issues of teen suicide in Alaska through watching a documentary, and creating an outreach project for at-risk teens. The target audience are female and male, ages 13 to 19, Alaska youth, including Alaska Native youth. The learning styles are various. The multimedia. There will be an animation, video, and game that allows students to practice their knowledge. There is a Facebook closed group and forum for them to communicate and interact with each other. They will also investigate real-life issues through watching the movie We Breathe Again that documents the struggle teens have throughout Alaska. And the evaluation includes a service project, a quiz, and interactive participation on the Facebook and forum.